Okay, this is the nightstand. Change the lights. It comes with this guy here. It does everything it's supposed to do. It is a little bit smaller than I wanted for this space, but it will do for right now. The drawers, the LED strip was entirely too long to go left from right, so I had to put it diagonal with that little thingy along the side. And it was also missing the screws for there, so otherwise, I mean, it's a cute little thing, but for 50 bucks, no. You could probably find something better for $50. This looks like it could be if you have a toddler maybe, but I have a 6-year-old and I just feel like this is a little bit too small for what I was looking for. But would I buy it again? Like I said, for $25, probably. 50, absolutely not.
I'm hoping I can get some customer service because I got 4 of these connector things and I don't have the bottom bars that connect, you know, the ends at the bottom here to keep it structurally sound. And I'm pretty sure that I'm also missing number 7, or number 7 is these things. But I cannot build this out without them. So any assistance would be lovely. Thank you.